Kyle and Eric from Chaparral Motorsports here. We're out here at Glen Helen today with the Matrix Concepts A7 aluminum ramp. Now this is aircraft grade aluminum. It's super strong, it's super durable. What we're gonna do today is give you the features and benefits of this ramp and show you what it looks like when extended out on a stock two-wheel drive truck and a lifted four-wheel drive truck. So Eric, what is the length of the folded ramp, please? Tape measures coming out. Looks like we are about 3 foot 7.5 inches folded. So this ramp features rubber at both ends, so you're not going to slip on asphalt and you're not going to slip here at the truck. It has a slow motion hinge. So when Eric drops one side, it's going to slowly open instead of swinging out kind of violently. There it is, the slow motion hinge. We're now going to set the ramp up here on the truck. Now this is a 7-foot ramp is what they call it. Now there's a difference between the actual length of where you're going to roll the bike at and the total length of the ramp. So right now we're going to grab the tape measure and we're going to get a total measurement. I'm going to start there at the bottom and come on up. Looks like we're going to have a total length of 6 foot 6.5 inches or so. Now let's give us a width here. What's the total working width of the ramp? All right, so up here we have about 7.25 inches for the working width of the ramp. So this ramp is rated for 400 pounds. So again, aircraft grade aluminum, slow motion hinge, rubber at both ends, and folds down to about half the length. All right, now real quick, let's take the ramp and move it over to the lifted truck. As you can see here, the angle of this ramp on the lifted truck is significantly steeper. It's about 5 or 6 degrees steeper than it is on the two-wheel drive truck. So if you do have a lifted truck, this is what it's going to look like. And you may want to go with the ramp that's a little bit longer if you've got it set up like this. Thanks for watching this detailed breakdown of the Matrix Concepts A7 ramp. Any questions? Please leave a comment below. If you want more action like this to come to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.